I'm Mugilan from India. I'm studying applied chemistry specialization in leather technology. Before I started studying masters here, I did my BTech biotechnology in India. There aren't that many schools that offer leather technology in English, and I get more exposure to the knowledge and experience from the people in Europe. For me, I learned a lot in terms of theoretically. When I went to my internship, I understood that I know a lot of theoretically understand all the concepts. So for me, it's a very good experience in ETECH. I think it's more focused to the personal based. The teacher makes sure that each student understand, because there is a very small number of students in the class, so the teacher could focus on each students individually, which is, for me, I felt much better. So for my internship, I did a period of 2 months in ECCO Thailand. So the work time starts at 7 a.m. in the morning and we finish at 5:15. The company made sure that I'm able to integrate with all the employees, and it was a very good experience for me. Plus the company also gave me some monthly allowance and a place to stay, and they made sure I can travel to the company and back to the room every day. I was able to integrate what I studied into practically when I make the leather. Plus the company also had many mentors who teach me on a daily basis how they make the leather. Everyone there had a different perspective into making leather. So for me, the experience into communicating with different people from different places was the most important part during my internship. They helped me with literally everything, like into finding my accommodation. Like when I said I want to change my accommodation, they helped me find a new one as well, and even like helping with the classes. Sometimes even after the class I have some doubts, they send me an email separately in English or what, help like that. And even to, let's say, a new location, we need to visit a tannery, they help me with navigating and such. So even when it comes to personal and just academics, they help me in different ways. I think it's very moderate pace, because let's say a big city like Paris or like a very small town like Clermont-Ferrand, Lyon is in between both. So for an international students, you can see a lot of other international students also hanging around Lyon. So I think it's very comfortable and very easy to get into traveling around Lyon, and it's never boring. There's something to do every weekend, and you can also travel to other places from the city. From the city, you can take the train or the bus. Everything's connecting to Lyon, so it's very easy to live here. I made few friends from France and even from other countries in Asia. The idea for me is, when talking to different people from different places, I get to understand their own perspective and other things. So when I went to my internship, I was able to be more open-minded. I could understand people much better. This able to increase my character development as well. Definitely studying in ETECH helps me improve professionally, because for me, I want to be a retanning technician or a tanning technician. So after learning my knowledge in retanning or tanning, I see myself being able to communicate with the other professionals and able to increase my knowledge as well. So this way I'm more comfortable in approaching people from other companies, and I'm able to make a better conversation with the other company people. I see myself during my internship speaking with all the other technicians and even other chemical company people who came for trial. So I was even able to make a contact and exchange emails with each one. So I was really able to see that professionally I can move forward after studying here. Before, I want to be a technician in tanning or retanning. So before I go back to India with my family business, I want to get a good experience in Italy or somewhere in France. even maybe any other country in Asia. So I think it's important for my knowledge and career to work somewhere for a year or two before I go back to India. So as a student, I think it's important to ask like why when a teacher is asking, explaining you something. I think it's important to ask why, what is it, why is this happening. So for me, Poco is a favorite word. The most surprising and a convenient thing would be the walking culture and the public transport in France. Anywhere in France, you can easily buy the tickets or even use a credit card directly in the public transport. And compared to being in India, you can be more self-sufficient. Even if you don't have a car of your own, you can really trust on the public transport to commute any place in Lyon. Best preparation would be to not prepare too much because you learn a lot by doing a lot of mistakes. So I think that would be my advice.